The LBR Med is a collaborative robot designed for safe interaction with humans. Its compliant behavior minimizes the impact during collisions and facilitates hand guiding. This behavior is necessary in a variety of applications, like positioning of the robot or teaching trajectories by hand guiding. Standard position control focuses on the comfort of the person interacting with the robot. The robot minimizes the impact on contact and shows some compliance. Though in other applications where holding a position or following a certain path without deviating in case of contact is required, a more rigid behavior of the robot is necessary. In order to increase the robot stiffness and control, the option package KUKA Sunrise Increased Stiffness Med can be used. It's a new control mode increasing the stiffness of the robot arm that makes it more robust to external forces. The robot programmer can increase the stiffness of the robot and thus reduce the deviation from the pre-planned path when external forces or torques are applied. Available for both LBR Med variants and can be configured for specific motions of the robot application, including Smart Servo and FRI motion. When increased stiffness is active, the function of configured safety measures like collision detection or safe torque monitoring is still guaranteed.
Industrial intelligence.